everyone. Just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving and also take this opportunity to thank everyone, all my viewers and subscribers for have been sticking around with us and supporting our channel. Thank you so much. Hope everybody doing well. And I've been getting questions from you about what I use for cooking, what I use for skincare and makeup, etc. Ta-da! Here we go. Here's my Amazon shop. It's open now. Hope just in time for Black Friday shopping. And this lists all my favorite things. If you go there, you can see my kitchenware, all the pans and pots that I use, and the knife, and steamers, rice cooker, etc. And if you go to my cooking ingredients, you can see all the condiments I use, from Sichuan peppercorns to soy sauce, cooking wine, vinegar, sesame oil, oyster sauce, etc. And if you go to beauty, just like my cooking, my skincare makeup, very simple. You can see my favorite items there, from lipstick to foundation and to facial masks. Check it out. And last one is our video, audio equipment, like our camera, Mr. Camera has been using, and the mic I'm using, GoPro. Yeah, so this is just affiliate program. You don't pay extra penny for this. And check it out. This just make it easy for you. We just get a small commission from the Amazon affiliate program. Again, just want to thank everybody and happy Thanksgiving, right?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, and our love to you. Thank you, everyone. Take care. See you next time.